Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Give Entitled DUI Driver the Surprise of Her Life.
On March 29, 2025, officers responded to a call of an intoxicated driver leaving her vehicle and breaking into another.
What's that? This truck?
No, the truck over there.
I'm sorry, I got my radio going off.
And the Silverado right there, that white truck.
The white truck, she's in there? Who she is? Okay.
But she was like walking around.
But this is your house?
Yeah.
Okay. Open the door. Open that door. Hey, how you doing? I'm Deputy Beck at Sheriff's Office. What is going on tonight?
I'm not sure. I'm just not getting to my place of whatever.
Okay.
So
Where do you live at?
I live at
You what?
yeah, I'm sorry, I'm kinda cold.
Okay. Whose truck are you in right now?
This is my friend's truck. He just literally walked over there.
Who's your friend?
Shit, his name is Jason. I mean,
This is so if I run this play, it's gonna come back to Jason.
um,
Because this looks like a random vehicle you just kind of jumped in.
I mean, shit, it should, from him sitting right here, like, he should be in this area type shit. I haven't seen him personally because I just came out here and my phone just started ringing, but shit, usually he's here.
Okay, this is your car?
No.
Whose car is this?
That's supposed to be my friend's car.
Who's your, who is it?
That just met us.
Okay, that's so that car doesn't belong to you?
No.
But that's the car you're trying to get over?
Yeah, eventually, after they, like, see what's going on with this car. I don't know if it works or whatever, you know, the
Okay.
case may be.
And you just kind of ended up over here?
Yeah.
Where were you at earlier?
Earlier I was kind of like down the street, in the same area, but like my friend, she had like a, I don't know, a gathering or something.
She got a lot of friends.
Like it was for school, so like I wasn't really there the whole time, so I'm not really sure.
Okay. Do you have your, so we don't really know whose truck this is then, do we?
No, I don't know.
Okay, this is not Jason's truck, is it? Just be honest with me.
I don't know what Jason drives. I don't even know who Jason is.
Okay, so you said your friend Jason, so there is no friend Jason then, or what?
I mean, I have a friend Jason.
Okay.
But like right now at this moment, he could be doing anything. Like
Okay.
I don't know if he.
But we do know this is not Jason's truck, correct?
I mean, everything in my name is in my name.
Okay.
Type shit. Like I
Alright.
have.
You got your driver's license on you, please? Your driver's license? Do you have that on you?
I'm getting.
It's not gonna be that go compartment because that's just the vehicle you just jumped in.
I mean, it should be shit.
No, this is not. We've determined this is not your truck. You just jumped into this truck, so it wouldn't be over there. Is it going to be in the car you were driving? Over there? Is that going to be where your driver's license is at?
Then it should be. Have y'all tried to check? Like.
Well, no, I just don't want to go through your car there, like without. First,
But I mean, if you're telling me that it's something on, like, what are you saying right now? Like, what did you trying to tell me then?
What I'm telling you is, so you got out of that vehicle right there and you got into this random truck. So then I asked.
This is not a random truck. If anything, the fucking vehicle that I got in was random. I don't know them people.
That vehicle right there?
I don't know anybody sitting out here. This is all I know. Like,
Okay, do me a favor, hang up the phone, okay? I gotta figure out what's going on.
for
Well, you went into a vehicle that you're not even supposed to be in right now, so I've got to figure out what's going on and where you need to go.
what vehicle have I went in?
What's that?
What vehicle have I went in?
This truck that you're sitting in right now? The truck that you...
Ashanti, where are you?
I'm sitting outside. Why are you sitting asking me that?
Where though? Where?
And by the mall. Anywhere else? Where else would I sit?
Just gotta let her talk a little bit.
Like what? What?
Why aren't you home?
Bro, if you either gonna come over here or not. These people acting stupid.
Yeah, here I come. Where?
Okay.
What now?
I need your information real quick. What's your
What
first name?
information? What is on the...
You are really going from 0 to 10 real quick. Okay, calm down for me. Okay. I just need you to calm down.
I'm calm.
Okay. So what do you?
So I don't know what the you need me to calm down is for.
What is your first name?
Why do y'all need that?
What is?
Why do y'all need that?
Let's not play this game. Okay?
Why do y'all need that?
You were literally trespassing in a vehicle that's not yours. Okay, you're driving.
Oh, since when? Since when?
Since when I just knocked on the door and found you.
Which is when?
Ashanti, what's your last
Because
name?
I'm coherent and I've been sitting here for how long? So how long y'all been sitting here?
Ashanti, let me talk to you real quick.
You talking?
Talk to me.
You speak.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
Speak.
How much?
Nothing.
Okay, that's not true at all.
Why?
What's that?
Why?
You're having some kind of episode or you're highly intoxicated.
I'm telling you what's going on. I'm talking to you coherently, am I not?
Do me a favor, go ahead and step out of this vehicle real quick.
I just told you where at.
You didn't tell me.
And you're steady saying you're
Step out of the
You're stealing my phone for what? You're taking my phone for what?
Step out of the vehicle.
You're taking my phone for what?
Step
Who's in your vehicle? Step out.
Step out of the vehicle.
We can have a conversation,
No,
but you're not
you're gonna step out of this vehicle.
No, you're gonna back up while I step out.
Step out of the vehicle, please.
You're gonna step out while I step out.
out of the vehicle, please.
You're gonna step out while I step out.
Step out of the
Y'all
vehicle.
gonna do the most? Y'all gonna do the most over him acknowledging me, not who he was? He telling me not who he was?
Stand up. Really?
You go to the ground as if that's a problem. They would prefer to cuff you to the ground anyway. They could get better leverage over you.
Hands right here. No.
Y'all doing all this for what?
Stop
Y'all
resisting.
ain't even talk shit.
Stop.
I'm not resisting.
You are
I'm not
resisting.
resisting. You can see it on the video. I'm not resisting.
Yeah, we got video.
You can see it on the video. I'm not resisting. So what is y'all arresting me for? 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 Nobody can say anything because there's no reason. Because there's no reason. Because there's no reason, right? Nobody can say anything because there's no reason.
You went real.
There's no
You went to
reason.
10 real quick.
There's no reason. And I told y'all I've been trying to talk to y'all this whole time.
Okay.
So what's the reason for this? What's the
Kick your
reason
knees
for
in.
this?
Kick your knees in.
What's the reason for this?
Kick your knees in.
What's the reason for this? What's the reason for this? Nobody has one because there is
Stand
none.
up.
There is none.
Stand up.
There is none.
Okay,
There
that's
is
not
none. There is none. There is none. Y'all did all this for what?
Okay,
But I
stand
just
up.
told y'all I was trying to talk to y'all. Y'all did all this for what?
Come on, stand up.
I don't want to stand up. Back up.
Wow.
Back up.
Why are you acting like
Back
this? Why are you acting like this?
I just asked y'all ass for help, but y'all didn't want to help me. So back the
Why?
back up. Back up.
No.
Back up.
That's not how this works.
Well,
Why are you acting like this?
y'all ain't want to help me. Y'all wanted to lay me as a criminal when I just told y'all else I needed help. I just tried to talk to you in there
That's not how that
about help.
conversation went. at all.
About help. Help.
That's-
That's our first conversation we had. We
Why
haven't
are
talked
you
at all.
screaming at me?
We haven't talked at all.
I told you to
We
get.
are outside.
This
Of
is your
course
problem.
we're going
This
to
is
be
your problem. Let's
yelling.
get you.
The fuck are you talking about? Of course we're going to be yelling. Y'all not listening. What are you talking about?
Quit it.
Figure it out. I ain't home. Y'all getting a lawsuit.
Here, pull up your car.
Y'all see this? Y'all see how y'all getting a lawsuit though? Cause you know you shouldn't be dragging me like
Stop.
that. You know you shouldn't be dragging me like that.
Just hold her still.
Stand me the up. Stand me up. That's all you
Every
gotta
time
do.
we stand you up, you fall down.
How?
What do you mean how? It's on video.
Bro, he just pushed me down.
No, he didn't.
Stand me up.
It's
Stand me up and see
everything
how
on
I
body
stand
cam.
up. I'm not drunk, so stand me
I
up.
can smell it on
Stand
you.
me up then. Talk about stand me up. I'm not drunk. Stand me up.
Okay, stand up.
I've been asking y'all that this whole fucking time. What are you talking about? Back up.
Well, stop doing that.
Nobody's doing anything to
Search your
y'all.
pockets real quick. No, you're not doing that. Pockets.
Watch the front.
Exactly.
She's peed on herself.
I haven't. I don't even have.
Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
You want to go to the other side?
And I will, but y'all are hurting my hand. Sit down.
All you have to do is casually sit down.
I'm sitting down.
Sit down.
Do you see my hands not bent up?
All you gotta do is sit down. Sit down.
He just bent my shit back up. I don't like him, bro. Y'all being too for me.
All you
I
have
don't
to
know.
down. Get your leg
I'm
in
going
there.
to sit.
You know, I used to have a friend who liked ratchet girls, like girls like this, and it's just a no-go, man. It's for me personally, I can't do it. No, it's no. You can't take her anywhere, man. You can't take them anywhere. You know, it's just no. I mean, it's like it's too toxic. It's too toxic, you know what I mean? And some people gravitate towards that. The same with the ladies, you know, they gravitate. Some ladies gravitate towards guys who put them on an emotional roller coaster, and they like that. But for me, man, no. It's fit, feminine, friendly, man. That's it. This here, it's too much, because even the guy on the phone, he sounds pretty cool, you know, he sounds chill, you know, but just, you know, the person that you decide to be with is an extension of you, you know, and her actions is an extension of her man, and it's not a good look. Yelling loud, something so simple. Listen, how can we get you home? You got to get out of the vehicle. This is not your vehicle, okay? So get out of the vehicle. And they would have probably went down the rabbit hole of can we call somebody to come get you? You know, because they technically didn't. They could put two and two together to figure out that she drove there or whatever, but nobody is actually putting her in the car, right? Unless the neighbor is or something like that. So this is easily like, you know, call somebody to come pick you up. You know, something along that nature. If they want to press the issue of you breaking into someone's car, then yeah, sure, they could have went down that rabbit hole. But I think if she was just cool, chill, you know, realize like, you know, I'm sorry, I just, you know, whatever. If she was chill, I think this would have went a little bit differently. But this loud and just, oh boy, god damn, man. I don't know how people put up with it. I really don't.
Okay, then
If he moves the
sit down. Please put
he
your...
has my hands right here, like literally on him.
Sit
Tell
down.
his ass to move back.
You keep saying you're gonna sit down.
Tell his
You're not
ass to
sitting
move
down.
back. Tell his ass to move back, and I will sit the. Y'all see how he doing it? Y'all doing all this?
On while we got it.
Y'all doing all this?
Yeah.
It's recorded, so do what
This
y'all
is
gonna
recorded.
do.
You're acting ridiculous right now.
I'm not. I'm telling y'all to fucking me up. Y'all telling me no.
Okay, I heard a kick. Yep. She's moving over.
Sit still. Quit opening the door handle.
I'm hot. I open the asthma. Open the door. I have asthma. Open the door. For what?
Because you're going to the jail.
For what?
Put your foot in before you get
For
into the truck.
what?
You're really close to getting a felony
For
right now,
what?
and you will never be a substance abuse
For
man.
what?
I told you before.
No, you haven't. For what, bro?
DUI.
You haven't even gave me.
Arrest.
You haven't even done the test. You haven't even done the test.
You didn't give me.
We do. We'll give you a chance at the jail.
I'm asking
We'll give
to
you a
do
chance at the jail.
test.
We'll give you. Yes, we will.
I'm begging you to please
Okay.
do a test.
Okay,
Please.
we will.
That's
We
what I'm
will.
asking you to.
We will.
He's not caring
We're gonna
about
take you
that.
to
I'm
another
talking to
location.
you, bro.
We're gonna take you to
Can
another
please
location.
do
What's your
another
name?
test,
What's your
bro?
name?
Can you please do another test? Because he does not care.
What's your
He
knee?
does not care.
If you look at where the curb is extended, she's still on the road. So I would just write her for improper parking on the roadway, open container, and then the A2.
Okay.
And then we'll also do trespass to motor vehicle. That's 77 auto. I'll get all that information tomorrow when I come on at 1400. We'll also do the resisting.
Gotcha.
The woman was charged with a DUI, riding with an open container, illegal parking, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
Hood booger activities, man. That's all I got to say. This shit is sad. This shit is really sad, man. Can't even conduct yourself properly. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.